So, just to be clear, you are Mary Elizabeth Walter residing at 121 Riverside Road. But you are saying you are not the Mary Elizabeth Walter who received treatment at the Highland Orthopedic Clinic on May 21st of this year. Oh, I see. I understand. Looking at my records, Miss Walter, I am sorry to say you might be a victim of medical identity theft.
In 2010, 1.4 million Americans had their medical identity stolen.
Doctor, I just got off the phone with collections. It's happened again. Another patient has used a stolen identity, and we can't locate the responsible party. It is as if this person has vanished into thin air.
I sure wish we had some way to prevent this type of fraud before treatment.
I don't get it. What's the problem here?
Sir, your information doesn't check out. Dr. Walsh's office is protected by Meditrack, and
What was that all about?
he didn't have any identification, and he refused to give me a social security number. So he handed me an insurance card, but when I told him that I was going to run it through our Meditrack system, he grabbed the card back and he raced out the door. And doctor, that is the second time today that someone has come in and tried to use a stolen identity. But both times, our Meditrack system prevented fraud.
Meditrack's the best idea we ever had. Pays for itself every day.
Private insurance companies reported more than $20 billion in fraudulent claims. Medicare and Medicaid reported fraudulent payouts of more than $97 billion.
I'm curious about something. What happens if a patient comes in from out of state for treatment? Can Meditrack spot fraud with them too?
Oh, it sure can. Just yesterday, I had a potential patient call to schedule an appointment. So I entered their information in the Meditrack system, and Meditrack actually alerted me that she owed multiple doctors from California to Florida.
In 2010, consumers' bad medical debt rose to $64 billion. Meditrack is a comprehensive data collection system. Meditrack allows healthcare providers the ability to combat medical identity theft, insurance fraud, and medical bad debt. Meditrack is easy to use. Just swipe the patient's driver's license, scan for a fingerprint, and take a webcam photo. It's as easy as that. By authenticating patient information, people attempting to use false or stolen IDs are identified before service is rendered, protecting the provider, patient, and the insurance carrier. Meditrack not only helps preserve the integrity of critical patient information, it has the capacity to save billions of dollars. Meditrack is truly the solution for the prevention of fraud, waste, and abuse. For more information, please visit our website at www.meditrackllc.com.